if you are suffering from any form of spiritual negativity, then this video is for you. You might be wondering, what is spiritual negativity? Spiritual negativity is nothing but that you are finding things difficult in life. Things are not working for you. If you are the type that he has been looking for job for years and nothing is coming, this might be due to spiritual negativity. Or you just move into your house and things are very difficult, you are not seeing anything. Or you just move into a new store and you are not selling, this might be due to spiritual negativity. Or you are a lady, suitors are not coming, you are 30, 40, over 40, nobody is coming for your hand in marriage, then you are suffering from spiritual negativity. Or if you are finding it difficult to feed, you are walking like elephant and you are eating like ants, then you are probably suffering from spiritual negativity. Hi, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Lukman. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. In this video, I'm going to be showing you simple natural ingredients that you can use to fight negativity. Why do you need to fight negativity? Negativity costs you a lot of things that you are not even aware of. If you are seeing this video, God purposely choose this video for you, because right now you might be suffering from one negativity or the other. If you are not progressing, then this is likely to be negativity, because God does not design this world for anybody to suffer. God wants us to flourish. God wants us to succeed. God is not the God of poverty, so God doesn't want poverty for anybody. God does not want bad things to happen to you. Even if you are healed, God is ready to heal you. So if you have been ill for so long and you are not getting better, then you are probably suffering from negativity. So if you see this video and try not to watch it or try not to implement it, then that is negativity also. Negativity is really troubling you. A lot of people will tell you, I've tried this, I've tried that, I've done this, but they are not working for me. It is negativity. If you have done different spiritual recipes, you've tried different recipes, you've done different rituals, they are not working, then it's likely due to spiritual negativity. And I'm going to be showing you just very simple ingredients that you can use to get rid of negativity. And if you can do it very well, you can do it the way I'm telling you to do it, then things will get better. Because once you get rid of negativity, the next thing is positivity. Then doors will continue to open. People will continue to favor you. You'll be seeing contract, you'll be selling, things will be moving. Even in the house that you are living, people will be asking you, where have you been? They want to help you. Everybody wants to go out and help you. So what are the ingredients that we are going to be using? Number one, we are going to be using cloves. Cloves. I have some cloves. Cloves. This is cloves. Cloves. For those who does not know cloves, I'm going to be putting the picture, the image for you, so that you can see what cloves looks like. But cloves is very popular. It's very common. It's very common. But only few people know that you can use it to cleanse yourself. But we are going to be using it to cleanse. So the second ingredient we are going to be using is camphor. And in this one, we are going to be using block camphor. Block camphor. I'm going to be putting the image for you, because readily I can't find it here. But I'm motivated to do this video because I've received so many mails telling me that things are not working, they've done different things, it's not working for them, things are so. I decided to answer in this video, answer your problem. If you can get to these two ingredients, then the next thing to do to get is something that you can use to burn these ingredients, because we are going to be burning them as incense. So I suggest you get an incense burner. I'm also going to be showing you the image. Incense burner. The essence of incense burner is to burn these ingredients, and you're also going to be needing some charcoals. You can get the local charcoal. It can be any charcoal. It can be coconut charcoal, it can be wood charcoal. Any charcoal will do. You can get the activated charcoal. That's the synthetic charcoal, the activated one. They call it activated charcoal. You can get that. So how do you prepare this? Now, get the incense burner, put the charcoal, then light the charcoal. Make sure the charcoal catches fire. You will know when it has catched, it start glowing. It will be glowing red. Then once it's glowing red, you can blow it outside so that it can catch light. It can catch fire. Make sure it catches fire and it start glowing. When you see that it start glowing, then you go inside. You take the charcoal and the incense burner. You take it inside. Then you get your cloves. And in this wise, you are going to be counting cloves. They are just tiny things. You count 16 cloves. 16. You know, if you had 9 for male and 7 for female, if you add it together, you have 16. That is why we are using 16, because in your house you have male and you have female. Even if it is all male, 16. Life is about 16, because we have male and female. There are two types of people, male, female, and if you add them together, 7 is for female, 9 is for male. So if you add it together, you have 16. So you are counting 16 of these cloves. Then you add it into the incense burner. Add the 16. Then you take the camphor, the block camphor. I will show you the image of the block camphor. The block camphor, you count 4, the 4 words of the 4 corners of the word. So you are using 4 of it. Then you also pour it into the incense burner. For those who stay abroad, don't do this. For those who stay overseas, don't do this where you have your smoke detector, because the incense will take a lot of, you see a lot of flames, and the fragrance will fill the entire room. If you have 3 bedrooms, then you are going to be doing the process the same way in all the rooms. If you have 5 rooms, you do the same, including your toilet, including your kitchen. Make sure you do it everywhere. And the best time to do this is in the evening. The best time is in the evening when you are about to sleep. All you need to do is do this. After doing it, you can go out. Once you go out, you just allow the fragrance to fill your house very well. Then you can come in. Or if you feel you can stay, it's not dangerous for you to stay. But if you cannot stand it, then you can go out and come back. Once you come back, just leave. You can open the door, open the window, so that some of the flames can go out. But I bet you this is very, very strong and effective. If you have somebody in your village that is responsible for a problem, that person will start being nice, start behaving nice to you, will start sending people to you to beg you. Or even if they don't send anybody to beg you, they will be forced to leave you. If I were you, because the way I do it is, I don't do it once. Once I do it this night, I'll wait for another 2 days, I will do it. And then I'll wait for another 2 days again, I'll do it 3 times. I do it 3 times. And once I do it 3 times, I'm covered for about 3 months. So if you can do it 3 times every month, good. If you can do it 3 times, 3 months, then also good. But this one is very effective. So it's very, very effective. If you are suffering from negativity, spiritual negativity, or things are not working for you generally, no suitor is coming, nobody's coming for your hand, you are selling, people are not buying. You in your store, in your business, you are not moving, you are not being promoted as it is. They are promoting others, but nobody is promoting you. Things are getting difficult for you, then you start crying. Don't cry no more. This is enough. This is the starting point of spirituality. Just start it. Starting point of spirituality is cleansing. You cleanse yourself, then after cleansing yourself, then you can use any other thing. Any other thing that you do after then is going to work. Even if you don't do any other thing, positivity will enter and start doing the right thing. So it is very simple. Get cloves, get camphor, block camphor, then get incense burner and charcoal. Then you light it. You add the thing. You make incense of it. And once you are able to do it, that night wash the dreams you have. You sleep well, you sleep nice. You yourself, you know the next day that things have started changing. And within that week, you notice the difference. Things will start changing for good. If you are saying this or you are saying this video now, I want you to do it. Don't delay. Do it because it's very effective. Don't come back and say, they've been doing it's not working. Probably what they've been giving you, this is not, is negativity that is not making it to work. This one is recommended for everyone. Even if things are working, you can still do it. You renew it, because in spirituality is a continuous process. Spirituality is a way of life, something you do from time to time, just like eating. You eat from every time. So spirituality, you continue to do it. Once you do it, you renew it. Once you do it, you renew it, and you be the best for it. People will just start noticing the difference in you. You yourself will start noticing the difference. We are in July. I'm doing this video in July. By the end of this year, people will look at you and say, well, you know the one I saw in January or February last year, because they won't know you again. Things would have turned to better. Things would have done better. I'm giving this to you. It's a secret. People will charge you money for this, but I'm giving it to you free because of the love I have for you. I'm not doing this because of money. I'm doing this because of the love I have for people and because of the interest I have in spirituality. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. Just click on the subscribe button. Hit on the notification bell so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. And talking about cleansing, if you want to learn other ways to cleanse yourself, check this video here. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.